Got $500 RC car. This is Phil RC car. Let's unbox it. There's looks like a remote control with a charger. Looks like we gotta put it sideways and push it from this side. Let's see, let's pull this out. Wow, this is huge. You know, one thing looking at the picture, the other thing is like actually holding it. So first impression, my goodness, you know what, electric one is way less complicated. There's so many parts to it. Check this out, your little engine right here. Wow, looks like I have to do a little bit of assembly. Looks like there's a fuel tank. Okay, looks like you have a whole bunch of parts over here. Check this out. This is the tools, more parts. Looks like extra springs. Let's look at it. You see this spring side here? Wow, that's cool. No wonder they need extra in case you go 55 miles an hour and break these parts. You have a few extra ones. That is cool. And it comes with tools. Give you an extra filter. Let's see. Filters right here, cool. So you will have to buy more parts once you run out, and there's clips. Definitely an upgrade RC car hobby. There's a starter, that's cool, and you got yourself all that good stuff. This is the top fill, the one that you use. More stickers. There's the instruction. So this batteries, I guess, goes for the starter right here. Plug in this way. Okay, and then plug this up. And when you buy one of these, there's a checklist what you have to do before you're going to get it started. So we just plugged it in. You will have to charge everything. Batteries is not included. So all these little things that you have to do, and big things, very important things that you want to go to checklist, so that way you don't mess it up. There is a charge jack, you see, on and off. So we're gonna plug it in and charge it. So looks like it's somewhat electric. You gotta have to buy your own batteries. So we got a fuel tank, and we have a little nozzle right here. That's cool. I'll pull on that and fill it up. Okay, fill up the nitro gas real quick. Oh, squeeze bottle, nice. Oh, that's cool. That's probably enough for now. Okay, that's it, cool. Okay, show me this thing. So we're gonna turn on the remote, and then we're gonna turn this on. We charged it up recently, okay? It works, nice. So everything looks good. Just need to start it up. Okay, we got easy start. It's a plug-in over there.
Oh yeah, I think.
Whoa, that's so cool. So how do you do this? Oh, the battery is dead or something? Sounds like. Yeah, the battery is dead. Looks like I gotta charge it up, this starter, a lot more. And yeah, that sounded so awesome. Way cooler than the electric one, but more complicated. Okay, we charge it up, turn this on, turn the remote on. Easy start. Let's see if it starts. Oh no. What's happening here?
There we are.
First time starting, I guess, takes a minute. Oh, almost.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
We might be dead.
The battery is not... Yeah, wow, that charger really have to be fully charged. So looks like we have to do it tomorrow. That's okay.